and welcome back. All right, so now I've got something a little special. This is near and dear to my heart. I really appreciate this car because it's something that's different that people typically don't go searching for, but if you know what you're looking for, you can really get something nice. This is a 2010 Mazda Cx7. So it's bigger than a Cx5, smaller than a Cx9. I would compare it to about the size of a CR-V or a Mitsubishi Outlander, maybe even a larger Toyota SUV. It's not a third row, it is a 2-row seating, but this thing has got so many features. It's like a BMW, but not BMW pricing. You know what I mean? So this has got black leather interior, all-wheel drive turbo. So you got that nice solid planted feel from the all-wheel drive. It's a 4-cylinder turbo, so it gets about 30 miles to gallon on a highway. It's got Bluetooth. It's got heated seats. It's got backup cam. It's got blind spot monitoring. It's got HIDs like those BMWs do. It's got navigation. It's got syncing phone technology, so you can sync your phone, and without even having to touch your phone, you can adjust the music from the panel here. You've got all your radio controls right here on the dash. This is a 74,000 mile vehicle with regular maintenance. And what I mean by that is that it's had synthetic oil since it was brand new. We bought the vehicle at about 40,000 miles, drove it to 74,000 miles. All of the tires have been regularly rotated every time that the oil was changed. You've got recommended tires on there. It's a good brand tire all the way around. You've got keyless ignition system. So you keep the fob in you click the button on the outside, you know the routine. So it's got all the features of a premium SUV at a not so premium price. So if you want something that's super nice, super dependable, low maintenance, and really fun to drive, they really are fun to drive. You really got to get behind the wheel to see what I'm talking about. It's a very tight, very responsive vehicle. It's not top heavy at all. If anything, it drives more like a car. So that's probably my biggest thing about this car. Not only does it have the black interior, which really looks good, you know, if you're trying to keep away from stains and dirt and just nastiness, you got those kids all over in the car. You want a dark interior, right, to hide all that. We got WeatherTech lining throughout. The exterior has been well kept. It's a navy blue color. You get sunroof. What are some of the other things about this vehicle that I love? Oh, it's got adjusting headlight level. That doesn't necessarily mean that you have just a high and low beam, but you can actually adjust them manually. You can pitch the headlight to wherever you'd like it to be. If you're driving on a country road, you don't want to blind folks, etc., etc. You got Sirius XM, you got the CD player and Bluetooth. Any way you want to listen to music, you can do it. This car's a lot of bang for the buck. So check us out on the web. Here's a quick video and some information about the vehicle. If you need anything else from me, my name's Chase. Thanks for joining.